Let us talk about building custom transformers from Hugging Face. Hugging Face Transformers library provides pre-trained models, but we can also build custom transformers by modifying the existing architecture, or you can also create a new one. This is useful for domain-specific tasks or research in NLP. Now, why do we why do we commonly get the suggestion of extending the existing architecture rather than building a new one? This extending an existing architecture will help you leverage proven architectures because existing models are well tested. Your BERT, GPTs, T5s, robots are all extensively tested and fine-tuned on large data sets. These models have proved their effectiveness. And these models are highly stable because they have been thoroughly validated and debugged. It also helps faster development because we have pre-built components for various transformer models. You can quickly adapt and customize these, saving these existing models, saving you a significant amount of time. So you can also focus on customization by extending an existing model without thinking of re-implementing everything from scratch. You also have access to pre-trained weights, which helps us in transfer learning and fine-tuning when we already use a existing architecture. And we also have large community and documentation. So community support and resources exist for all the existing architectures. We can leverage that. And the implementations, efficiency and speed are all you get them by default because the Hugging Face library optimizes many parts of the transformer model for efficiency and scalability. Similarly, integration with distributed training. Your Hugging Face's trainer class provides a built-in support for distributed training, mixed precision training, and multi-GPU setups. So maintainability is also another aspect because you have less risk of bugs, easier updates, all of it when you use a extending existing architecture. Now, building a model from scratch is not completely wrong. It might be even necessary in case of, when you are trying to experiment with a novel architecture or when your requirement is highly specialized and when you are trying to do some research or experimenting with radically new ideas where your existing research may not suffice. In most practical scenarios, however, extending existing architectures is more efficient and effective. Now, your Hugging Face Transformer library provides you model classes for feature extraction. This Hugging Face API helps you with model classes where you have your BERT model, GP2 model, all of them for feature extraction. Pre-trained models with fine-tuning capabilities and custom architectures using pre-trained model and pre-trained configuration. Now let us look at the basic steps to build a custom transformer. The first step would be defining a custom configuration, like holding the model parameters like hidden layer sizes, the attention heads, all of it, and implementing a custom model. Using the pre-trained model, we define a new custom transformer architecture here. And now you train or fine-tune the model and convert the model into a Hugging Face trainer compatible format using our data. Now let us see an implementation of this in Jupyter. But the downside being we do not have any data ready to demonstrate the training process, but we will see how do we extend a existing architecture. Now, if you see from transformers, I import pre-trained configurations. So from pre-trained configuration, I write a child class that inherits from pre-trained configuration. This custom configuration class inherits from pre-trained configuration, of course, allowing it to use all the configuration functionalities of the pre-trained models. and I initialize this model, calling it a custom configured model, which can be used to, I define all the parameters here, all of it. So taking it differently, in case I can specify it when I call the create an instance, or the default values are all given. I run this code, I am able to create a transformer, a class that inherits the pre-trained class. Next, what I try to do is I create a class custom transformer, which can be used to identify the model configuration when loading and saving. Right? And I can now create a trainer that will now train on the training data as well as evaluate on the evaluation data set. At this point, we do not have any training data set and we do not have any evaluation data set. But if we have one, we can directly feed it to the model and let the model train on it. The arguments that are evaluated during the training process can be stored into a file called results. This is training and fine-tuning process of the model. In short, I show the code to just help you understand how your custom transformer, the process of building a custom transformer is executed. This is the end of building custom transformers in Hugging Face. Thank you.